Hi friends, good evening. I am going to talk about how to earn great punya, great good deeds in a short time without spending much energy just by thoughts. So there is a this is the initiative under the minimum Hindu scheme or series. There is a mantra which says Vede Ramayane Chaiva Purane Bharate Tatha Ado Ante Cha Madhye Cha Vishnu Sarvatra Giyate. So the mantra's meaning is that in all the books, Vedas, Ramayana, Purana, Bharata, Mahabharata, all of them are having the purpose of singing the glory of Vishnu at the beginning, at the end, and in the middle. So in the middle means with short gaps in the middle again and again, not just in the exact middle, but many times in the middle. There is also a saying by Madhvacharya that Santatam Chintayenantam Antakale Visheshata, which means that the one person should practice the singing of glory or remembering of the glory and the qualities and the name of Vishnu always. Santatam means always, so that he can remember Vishnu at the end of his life. So when somebody remembers Vishnu at the end of life, he has got the doors open for the Vishnu Loka, which is the moksha, not just the heaven, Swarga, but the liberation at the feet of Lord Vishnu. So how do we practice this small technique that I explained through the mantras? We need just to understand that everything that's happening around us is created, controlled, and made possible by the complete control and will of Lord Vishnu. Without his interference, not a single leaf will move. Anything which is happening in the world, it's all happening due to the wish and will and the work done by Vishnu. The Vishnu, as a Lord, he guides the world, he makes things happen out of his unparalleled happiness. It's a response to his happiness and due to which the whole world is kept moving. So this thought will make you understand that there are things happening in the world. In